This is Audible.
Can you open your eyes? Open your eyes. There. No. Don't try and get up. Okay. Yeah, not yet. Oh. How do you feel? Talk to me. Mr. Cast, please say something. Mr. Cast.
I'm afraid, Lily.
Oh, no, you don't. You don't need to be afraid. It's over now.
You saw me. You saw me.
I saw you fall. That's all.
Shh. Lily?
Yeah?
Something terrible is going to happen.
I promise. It's not.
No, I had it in the war. I know when something bad's going to happen. It's fate. Can't outrun it.
No.
Can't hide.
No. Here. Let me help you up. Take my hand.
No!
It's all right.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. It's all right.
You better leave me alone. I don't want to hurt you.
I'm tougher than I look, you know. Come on. Up to the chair. I'll make you some tea.
I don't want this anymore. I don't want any of it. The way people look at me.
It'll get better. You've got your job. Remember?
Yes. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I've heard you working away on that typewriter.
Yeah. I've made a list of people and places.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, good for you, I'll say.
Thank you.
I'll take an eye into your shirt, if you like. First impressions and all that. You're going up in the world, Mr. Cust.
Yes. No more poor Mr. Cust. No more begging for food and living on scraps.
Exactly.
Oh.
Things will change.
Yes. Everything will change. I'll show them who I can be. I'll show them.
ABC Murders, an Audible original produced in collaboration with Agatha Christie Limited. Written by Agatha Christie, adapted by Anna Lee. Starring Peter Dinklage as Hercule Poirot and Himesh Patel as Arthur Hastings. Produced by Hat-Trick Productions for Audible. Directed by Alice Lowe.
Victoria, all change. Victoria, all change.
Carry your case, sir?
No, thank you.
Go on, sir. Here, I can take
Listen, I don't need it.
It's the